kati abantu abagugulana ababiri kuliko Sempija Vincent nga yafuna omulimu omutwalo gumu mu 13,219 ate Kirubuta Yusufu n'afuna obululu omutwalo gumu mu 15,473 kati kooti engeri gye tugambye nti tuddemu bagenda kuddamu babale ko kooti kubanga ffe okubala okwaffe kwaggwa dda tetulina tetusobola gaana era baze wano batubuulire ekigenda okuddako naye nga mu bokisi omwo tusibiramu obululu bwonna bwe bakozesezza okulonda n'obufiseewo bwe tuyita used and unused. Tusibiramu declaration forms n'empapula endala ezibeera ku polling station byetusuubira okusanga mu bokisi. Tusaba byonna bitambule bulungi nga Mukama ye mubeezi.
Allow me to begin by appreciating every stakeholder for your contribution in this. I want to thank the candidates, the applicant, and also the respondents who have been with us, kept with us, followed the entire process up to now. I also want to thank the advocates for passionately representing the interests of their clients, and I want to commend the media fraternity for covering us, because the world is watching and is interested in whatever is taking place in Karungu. We appreciate your commitment because you reach where we don't reach. And I also want to thank my staff, Zoship Abdara, my court clerk, our secretary, and our other team who accompanied us during this process. I also want to thank the returning officer for cooperating with us. We are grateful because without your cooperation, we can't sit here. We couldn't even have done anything, but your cooperation has made us good. Then to the men in uniform, we want to thank you so much because you have maintained law and order, and we cannot take it for granted. Then to the people of Karungu, want to appreciate you for being a calm community. Mwebale kuba abantu abarungi abatarekanira kooti ng'etambula bya kooti singa bya nfuzi. So tubebaza nnyo, mwebale kubeerawo nga mutunuulira ebigenda mu maaso naye nga temutuwoganira. Mwebale nnyo.